Today's session we will see about our material management, organization structure, and the organization structure assignments. These are the today we'll take the session. So, what is the organization structure in SAP MM? This under these organization levels in the company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, purchasing group. So for this company and company code, it is colored in the different. This is in the real scenario. It will come in the finance FI model. If you go the finance and controlling model, they will create the company and the company code. For the testing purpose and training purpose, we will create the company code. Of finance team. Then MM organization structure will started from plant, storage location, purchase organization, purchasing group. So these four in the MM organization structure. These and all come into MM. So here I will explain by what is the one by one for the individual. Just give some explanation. So client, what is client? I mean, a client is the highest hierarchical organization unit in the SAP system that contains master records and tables. From the business point of view, client represents corporate group. That example, this we take a Tata group. Tata group is a very big group in the world. So the corporate group is called as a client. So this is highest organization unit in the SAP system. This is client always in the 3-digit numerical key. This SAP system. Company code. Company code is.
One second. What do you suggest? Shall I continue writing, or shall I concentrate on the part what you are saying, or shall I, side by side, shall I write also?
No, you are writing.
No, right now I have not started. I just
no need to write Sweta.
Okay.
You will concentrate on the theoretical part.
Sure.
If you require means if you see the record also, no worries.
Correct.
No need to write and all. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So a company code is an independent account unit. It is a legal entity that has its own profit and loss and balance statements. So this and all is a company code. This company and the company codes, this is by come under the finance. So this is coming under MM plant. So plant is an organizational unit within the company where activities takes place. Okay, so the plant is they produce the goods and making the goods available for the company. So the plant will produce the production wherever they're taking the place of activities like keeping the material there and do the production activities. Then this is called as a plant. Another one is the storage location. A storage location is a place where the stock is kept physically. So where we can keep the material in the purchased material, we keep it in the area that is called as a storage location. A plant can consist of multiple storage locations. Either one plant having multiple storage locations. Purchase organization. The purchase organization is an organizational unit which is responsible for the purchasing activities or procurement activities in the company. This is called as a purchasing organization. Another one is purchasing group. The purchasing group is an organizational unit. This is responsible for everyday procurement activities within the organization. So this is called for the day-to-day procurement activities. This purchasing group will use for the purchasing group. So this is the organization structure. So here I will just give some by flow chart. So this is a client. Client is a 3-digit numeric value for the SAP system. So the company have a 6-digit. So we can create this company. This and all will come in the FI model. The company code is always in the 4-digit key, the numeric and alpha keys for the company code. So this the plant and 4-digit storage location also 4-digit. So here that client is a corporate group. Under the corporate group having multiple companies. Example I will mention one company. So the one company having two company codes. So like two company codes having different plants. So the plant will assign to two company code. Under the company code, there are under the plant having storage location. The purchase organization and the plant level and the purchasing group individual organization levels. So this is the overall overview picture of the MM organization flow chart. For example, I will given some real scenario example for this. Yeah.
Okay. No. My doubt was why a company will have two company codes. But I think your next diagram is going to explain that.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Here example Tata Group is a client. It is a big group in the world. So you imagine this Tata Group is a client. This is a corporate group. The Tata Group having two companies like this Tata Motors and the Tata Steels. These are two different companies with the Tata Group client. So they are in the company having two different plants. Maybe the manufacturing plant and assembly plant. Example, car plant is assembly plant. They will do any steel plant is any other manufacturing plant also the inside they are having. So these are two different plants. So in the inside the plant, he will be having a storage locations. So two different storage locations. So then we do the take over the production activities in the individual plants. Okay, production we they take over the individual plants. Then with the finished once the production is activity is completed, we can dispatch the finished goods to our customer, their customers. This is a production. This is a way we are organization structure will overview. This is just overview in the high level. Deep level it will become more picture. So this is Tata Steel same way. Tata Steel is a different company. So they are having two plants like manufacturing assembly. They are having storage location. They are taking place of production activities. Then they will dispatch their finished goods also to customers. This is a overview of the organization structure. Okay. Hope
Yes,
you
and
are.
this, I can understand this diagram, but I have a doubt. In last slide, what you showed, there is a client. Client has within client there is a company, and one company is having two company codes. So
Yes.
that I'm not able to identify in the next slide.
Yeah.
In
Actually, maybe that here this company we have two company. This is a company code. I mentioned the company name. This is a company code actually. Okay.
I understand why I'm saying whatever knowledge I'm having, there is a client, then there is a company or company code. Both are same only.
Yes.
So a client
No,
will
no,
have
no,
to.
no, no, no. Company and company code is not the same. Company code is a 4-digit of key. That the company is one of the example. Tata Group is Tata. Okay, this is client level. Okay, this is a company. Okay, while you are understanding, I will write on this clearly. Then only you know understand. This is
Or you
company.
can show me it in the system also where
Yeah.
actually
I will. I know. I will.
company.
This is a company code.
This is very much I can relate my knowledge to, like company
Yeah.
and then company, or like client and company.
Yeah. Client
Client.
is company. Actually, client is the company.
So the last slide, what it says, it's client and there under that
Yes. Yeah.
then two
Now
company.
this is the way only architecture is there.
Yeah,
So company code, then they having plant, storage location, production, dispatch.
correct. This is how about the last slide, Senthil? Is there any modification needs to be there or
I need to just modification do here. Okay.
correct.
Okay, I will make it. Okay. This is overview of this. Another one is for that as a system wise, we can do the assignment, that organization structure assignments. So whichever we created the company code, plant and storage location, purchase organization, purchasing group. This and all we need to assign with our organization structure, like company code to company, then plant to company code, then purchase organization to company code, then purchase organization to plant. These are the assignment we do our MM side. Then only that our further cycles will working. So today we'll see that configuration of organization structure and organization structure assignments. Okay. So we'll go into SAP. So here that in that SAP, you know this client actually, right? You know what is the client? This is a down logon system. So this is the client. You see here, this is the client.
Yes.
Okay, this is the overall group of data or something. This is the group of client, like this we say. So here we go to for the configuration for all the functional consultants. For the configuration part, we are using one transaction code SPRO. The SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. That is called the SPRO. Okay. So this is T code for the configuration part for the all functional modules. We are in the SAP system. So all are using this transaction code SPRO. Here that inside SPRO having SAP reference IMG. Okay. That IMG means implementation guide. This is sub top IMG. Here this is the main menu bar menu in that implementation guide. So for this we are started from organization structure, that is called as enterprise structure. So we started with enterprise structure. Okay. So here we start as a first for initially say the company code in that the finance part for training purpose we will create it. So go to enterprise structure, go to definition, financial accounting. In the real scenario, it won't happen by MO, it will done by FI team, company and company code. Okay. Then define company. Here we have a lot of companies is there. So we create new entries, our own company. So we give some company name. This is actually 6-digit name of the company. So I will give name as company name is Sweta. So this I can give the company name. Then our country is given as a country, IN, the India, language is EN. If you require means you press on this button, this is called as a F4 function. That
Senthil, what was that button called? Can you please repeat?
that is search button.
Yeah, search button. Yeah. I heard something else. That's why.
Yeah, this is search button. Okay, you can select inside. Okay, this is EN. The currency is INR. That our currency is INR. If you want, you use on search button. You can see everything in that inside. You can use search button. Okay, then save. Here only thing, this is very important. Okay, this is called as a one promote for the customizing request. This is called as a transport request pop-up. Okay, this is called as a TR. The SAP consultants knows this is a SAP term. This is called as a TR, transport request. Okay, so this is a customizing request. Okay, so whenever we do the any configuration, we need to save the TR. Okay, so this is our new TR. So we'll do or create our own. This click on. This is my already created my this is my company. So our create request is new. We'll give enterprises. So whatever name you create use for the description. But next you do the any configuration, save the same TR. Then only if you see here that the number is EHP EH7 the 900004. Once now give us click on save, it will automatically change the number. The new number will generated for our company Sweta Enterprises.
I'll just reiterate what I understood. While configuring any anything, right? Like we are configuring company code here. So there is this is like prompt for customizing request. This is like TR, transport request, right?
Yes, yes.
Transport request is something like when we are moving data like from production to qualities. Am I correct? Am I going
Yeah,
correct?
yes, yes, yes. That
So
part.
that time these data, these numbers will also be transferred.
Yeah,
So
yes,
it's
yes,
asking permission, and
yes.
then here you are like trying to save the number. Can you just like what you told? I'm not able to say properly. This number is TR number, right?
Yeah, this is a tier number. Whenever you do the configuration, further configuration, whatever you do, at the time this pop-up will open every time. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to all the configuration. You need to save in the same tier number. Okay. Then only that all the configuration will be saved in the same tier number. Whenever we need to move the transport request to for development to quality, this transport request number should be released in the development system.
Okay, I got your point. This number is main thing. Like this number, under this number, all the configuration what I am doing, that will be stored, and this particular TR number has to be moved from production to quality or any other system, right?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. This is a very important because of maybe you using multiple maybe you are practicing multiple company, okay, multiple company codes or multiple company you are practicing full cycle. So you see the before saving the TR number, you see the correct number or not, correct company name or not, okay. So you wrongly, for example, now I am trying Sweta Enterprises, okay. Tomorrow I will try to one more. I am practicing started from scratch. Now I will create one more company, the Senthil Enterprises. So at the time, what TR will open. Okay, the initial time, whichever you last created, that TR number only visible on the system. So you without you are aware of, without aware of this, you click on continue. All the data will saved in the this TR. Hope you understand.
Yes, yes, I
Uh,
understood very
so
clearly.
this is very important. Which TR you saving your configurations? Okay, that is very important. Okay, so I will click on
Senthil, which TR, or I mean, when question is there, which TR means
TR number. This TR number.
the TR number. Fine.
Yeah. This is a request number. Is TR number, transport request number.
Any interview questions come around that?
Not like that. They asking what is TR level only. How to move the TR from development to quality.
So
Okay.
this process after when the system is asking from cost customizing, I have to the number I have to save, and all the customizing I have to put under the same request number, so that when we are moving, we should move this request number, that is TR, right?
Yeah, you can release. You can release the TR.
Okay, fine.
Our consultant should be release the TR from the quality development to quality system. Okay, generally quality system that data will import from the basis team, not our consultant team. Okay,
Yes, correct.
so our side only the release the TR from the development system. Okay, you no need to not in the live system. No need to save all the TR, all the configuration in one TR. You can create multiple TR also. There is no issue based on that. Your config example, we create the plant. You create one TR for the all the plant. Maybe one more TR for the all the storage locations. One more TR for the all the purchase organization. You can create multiple TR in the live scenarios. Okay.
Okay, but only thing is that the responsible person creating has to take a note of all the TRs, and he has to, responsibly transfer those TRs from one system to another, right?
Yes, correct, exactly.
Can I, as an SAP MM consultant, functional consultant or tester, can I look into that process, or is that not required?
Yeah, it should be. You should be focus on that also because of this very TR is very important. If example, I
You
will
will show
create.
something.
Sorry,
You will show me that. You will show me that.
which is
Doing, I mean, doing the transfer.
Yeah, I will. But I can do how I can teach you how to release a TR. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That is one of the training part is there. Okay.
Fine, fine.
So one more only thing. For example, that I this transport I will save one transport request for the plant creation. Okay. So I created 10 plants for one company code. So I will create one transport. I save all the company code configuration in one transport request. So if you do any changes in further the company code plant configurations, you save the same transport request. Then only it will be easy for us the configurations. It will move to quality system. Okay.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Okay. So now I can click on continue. Okay. Now the data was saved. Okay. Okay. So now one minute. So now our company name is Sweta. So we created our all the save our all the details, configuration details. So then we complete our company. Okay. Okay. So next is for company. Another one is company code. The company code same SPRO path, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Here edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay. You click on here. Then click on copy, delete, check company code. Double click on here. Here you see here one more option is copy organization object. Okay. Click here. So that all the standard copy from the standard SAP data from copy. Now is copying standard SAP data.
Once I was trying to create all these organizational data customized. So what I did, I started from very scratch. I didn't copy it, but then slowly, when I move on to create, transactional data, so I felt difficult. Then again, I started with, copying already existing data, a standard one, basically standard one.
Yeah. It's always that come. This is standard way only. The live scenario also they will copy from the standard only. Okay. Hello. Sorry, Sweta.
Yeah, I'm saying okay, right. I was just sharing my experience, like what I did last.
Okay. So our standard company code is 1000. Okay, the SAP standard company code is 1000. So we are create our own company code. I will create as what create one menu SW01. So I will create our company code as SW01. So click on this is our own company code we created. Click on continue.
Senthil, tell me one thing. Is this possible to create a company code with number value 5000?
Yeah, possible. This accepted everything. Numeric alpha combination and numeric, only alpha.
But like 5000, yeah, it's 4 digit, right?
Yeah, this is only for 4 digit.
Correct. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, numbers, alphanumeric or alphabets, anything is.
Yeah, you don't bother about the company code. This is live in the finance part. Okay.
Fine. I mean,
Don't
I'm concerned,
don't.
interviewer will not ask pitch in all these details, right?
No. Nobody asks this FI part. Okay. You just get the knowledge only, but to go into too much. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here he asking, do you want to copy all the GL account or not? So we give us a no. no need to all the GL standard GL. We create our own GL accounts. So we click on no. So do you want to allocate the different location local currency to target the company code? Yes, we are create our own, use our own local currency. So our currency is INR. Then continue. The certain data is not copied. Okay. Okay. Continue. Do you really want to transport numbers? Okay, no. Now is the data, all the data is copy from standard company code to our own company code. You see that one again the transport request will come, that the same number. You check the number, not no need to number. The company name is C, our new company name, so we can continue.
Yes, it took the old number only, right?
Newly last created number. Okay.
Yeah, correct. Last created.
Yeah. So now you give this pop-up, we click on cancel button. Then this asking for that copy that now intervals. Okay, object intervals. So copy. Now the company code 1000 copied to SW01 without one number objects. Okay, now this. So company code is 1000, completed activities. So company code 1000 copied to SW01. So our company code is SW01. This is SW01. So now come back. So here we go to edit company code data. So click on edit company code data. We go to our company code SW01. So here the company name is different now showing. So double click on here. You see that we enter our company name. So our city is not required. Be required means you put the city. Country is INR. The language is must. So you put on English. Okay. Then click on here address bar. Here also we need to we required means that put that all the address. For the testing purpose I will not fill anything. So we required mean you fill all the details. Pin code we required means we put all the things. So the country is very important here. That's why I come here. Then region are required. The time zone you change the time zone. India. Okay. The language should be must change. EN. Okay, then the contact number you required, you fill it the required contact details. Okay, so this is enough for, so I will click save now and continue. Okay, now I click on save. So again, this asking the transport, I will click on continue. So now two part is completed. One is company and company code we completed. This is FI part, so don't need to just knowing your all the things. Okay. Then we are going to our MM part. So this is same menu bar, SPRO enterprise structure definition. Here logistic general. Here you see define copy, delete, check, plant. So this is the first our organization structure in MM creation of plant. Okay, so we have transaction codes here. Okay, we can individual transaction code also available. We can for this plant creation we can use OX010, the direct transaction code. Okay, we can use the transaction code also for creation of plant. That is generally we go for SAP menu bar.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. I actually wanted to ask you, do I need to memorize these T codes also?
No need to remember this. You got instant. Actually, here one more option is there. We'll check. I will try to this activity additional information. 1 minute will show maybe. I will check. Yeah. Here you see this is a trick code OX10 last 4 digit na.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a transaction code for this OX10. So we creating some financial document now. This is for define company OX15. Okay, this OX02. Okay, so we need to the last 4 digits is a transaction code. If we create one more new session, you directly type on OX10. This is directly navigate to plant creation screen. Okay, so instead of this we can use this menu bars, everything, SAP screens, right? Basics.
Yes, yes, I know, but like this part what you told me through additional information, I mean few things that will be new for me, but majorly I know.
Yeah, this is you can enable this. Generally this is not in the display. Okay, you need to enable.
Correct.
Okay, so this is OX10 for that plant creation. I will create plant creation. Here you see define plant. Click on define plant. So we click create our own custom own plant. So create new or create as SWP1. It's called as a Speta plant 1. Okay, so here you need to create whenever you get customize, you can create country code. Okay, here only thing is factory calendar is required. Factory calendar we given as a 01. Okay, this is for factory calendar Germany standard. Actually, this is we need to they will finance will customize and give the factory calendar. So because of that, maybe based on the country it will be appear. Okay, so which country you record, they will use our factory calendars. Okay, this factory calendar are always available created by finance, they will give us. Okay, so then we create w1 so the plan 1, then we'll create a factory calendar, then we go to address icon. This is address icon. This plant where is this, so we need to give our address. So if we need to any address, we need to put the address here also. So here only things come countries IN very important, that English is important. If you record you fill the address whenever you record example I put okay, so this is not basic when you create your own address or at the time of configuration based on the customer requirement, you will create this. So we will click on copy So now save. Now it will ask the request. So we click on save. Now the data was saved. So now our plant is SWP1. SWP1. So we can create now n number of plants. So plant 1, plant 2, like this, and we can create many plants. So I create one more plant. So I create a new entries SWP2, SWP2, create plant 2, then factory calendar, then give an address. So whatever we created, we give an address. Give one. So now the second time if you save the second create the plant at the time you save the transport request not asking. This automatically the data was saved in the same TR. So every time it not ask. One time you save the same activity you do the next time it will won't ask again TR. The automatically the data was out the same TR which is you saved in the last TR.
Like
Okay.
first, during first plant creation it asks, but when we are creating again one more plant in the same company code, it will not ask.
Yeah, it will be automatically saved the same TR.
Okay.
Okay. So now we are here having two plant SW1 and SWP1 and SWP2. SWP1 and SWP2. So then the plant is creation completion. Then we go to create a storage location. Here the same enterprise structure definition. Here you having material management. Click on material management. This is storage location. The transaction code is OX09. You put the storage location under the plant only. So it must enter the plant. Then only it will go to inside. Our plant is SWP1. So click continue. So here there is no storage location. So we can click on new entry. So we can the storage location is in the client having multiple storages like raw material and semi-finished goods and scrap material and packing material. Like this, they're having some separate storage locations. That location only we are creating now. So for example, I create the 1000 for raw material. 1000 for semi-finished, 3000 for finished material. This three I will create. So we equal a number of n number of storage location you can create here. Just enter, just save. Now it asks you want every time you saving before you see that our short description, our company name will be correct or not. Just click on say continue. So we note it down. The storage location short form is called as a slog. Slog means storage location. 1000, 2000, 3000 for this plant one. Okay, so we create the same storage location as a plant 2 also. So we come back. So now we again go to maintain storage location. Keyword plant 2 SWP2. Click on continue. Create storage location 1000. Not required to same storage location. You can create different location number also. Not required for the same which is available in the plant one. You can give us different storage location because of these are two different plants. Okay, so that we can create a different number also you can use. For testing, I will create same. So back. So now we are creating the storage locations. Here also 1000, 1000, 3000. So now company code, plant, storage location we created. Then we created for purchase organization. When the purchase organization, we are going to this SPRO menu bar, that's going to material management. The directly go not in the enterprise structure, it go to material management. Here you see, here you see the purchasing. Sorry. This is going to for purchasing group. Actually, this is for purchasing group. Actually, the purchasing, they go to enterprise structure. Here you see the same definition, material management. Here we are having maintain purchasing organization. Purchasing group only we go to that previous way. I will explain next config. Now that maintain purchasing organization. So you see the transaction code for this OX08. So click on main purchase organization, click on new entry, click on SWPO. SW purchase or means purchase organization. So save, click on continue. So our PO is SWPO. This is purchase or SWPO or purchase or. Then we go to purchasing organization. You go to material management, purchasing, create purchasing groups. Here you see the transaction code is OME4. Here we create our new purchasing group SPG. That I put the description also same, that PG means purchasing group. These are the purchase group available. Okay. I'll create WPG for the Sweda purchase group. Now save. WPG. Okay, these are all our organization organization structure and enterprise structure. Okay, we created. This is for our FI. Okay, so this organization structure created. So then we as per se this is organization assignment is we are doing. Then only all the configuration will work. Now we've done that structures. Now we go to assignment of organization structures. For the assignment of organization structure, so we go to same SPRO enterprise structure. Here you see assignment. One tab, one option assignment. Expand. Click on. Financial accounting. Assign company code to company. This is the first assignment. This company code is SW. SW01. SW01. Here there is no company, so I will enter the company name SWET. So this is a company. We assign this is a company code. So we assign the company to company codes. So enter, save. So save our TR. The next assignment is plant to a company code. So here logistic general, okay, assign plant to company code. Click on new entries. Our company code SW01. Our plant is SWP1. Same company code. We have two plants. So we assign the two plant. So this is company code. We assign the two plants to our company code. Save. Then assign purchase organization to company code. Here go to material management. Here you see that assign purchase organization to company code. Okay, here you see position our purchase organization SWPO. You see the company code is blank. We create our assign the company code SW01. Save. Everything is saved. Then next one is last assignment. Assign purchasing organization to plant. Create new entries. Purchase organization SWPO. Plant SWP1. SWPO. But plant is SWP2. Two plant we have. So the two plant we need to assign with our purchase organization. So this is the organization structure creation and the organization structure assignments. So now our organization structures are assigned properly or not. We need to check in the one transaction code. So this is called as a structure view. Okay. So this transaction code is EC01. Okay. You go to structure and navigation. Continue. Yeah, it will come all the company code here. Control F, so find option. Our company code is SW01. It will appear SW01 here. I will double click on here. So it will come like this. This company plant purchase organization. Okay, you click on the company. So inside the company having company code SW01. So click on the plant. You click on the plus icon. The plant having storage location 1000, 2000, 3000 raw material, semi-finished. That plant will assign with company code and purchase organization. Plant 1, SWP1, then assigned with company code and purchase organization. Same way, the plant 2 also. That same 1000, 2000, 3000 location. The plant assigned with company code and purchase organization. Then purchase organization, SWPO is our purchase organization. The purchase organization assigned with company code and plant 1 and 2. So this is the organization structure. That EC01 transaction useful for that view of the structure, enterprise structure, view the enterprise structure in the company code level. So you can see the plant level structure transaction called as EC02. Okay, that organization object plant. Okay, this is organizational object, the company code. Okay, so same structure, navigation, continue. You see, this is only for the plant. You can see only for the plant level. Control F. Plant is SWP1. It will appear here. So here our two plants will appear, SWP1, SWP2. This is only for the plant level. Just plant 1 assigned with the company code and purchase organization. So this is EC02 for the organization view, structure view in the plant level. Company code level is EC01. Generally we are using, they will see check with company code level, that EC01. So these are the two topics we'll discuss today. SAP MM organization structure and assignments. Any